Sorry about the mess over there. Sorry about the mess over there. Sorry about the mess down here. Get sorted in the freezer when I got 3 spare. Just try to put this top button in because it's a bit cold. Keep the collars up because it's cold tonight because it's winter. I couldn't count it better. I can't do it. So my brother tripped up a microwave, and I didn't know that he was going to do that. Yeah, and this is the microwave part, right where you can open the door. Yeah, and that's the board from it. He's already took one part on it, and that was the transformer. So what I'm going to do is undo the screws. This screwdriver is falling to bits. And that's just the microwave plastic. And you see on there, as a Raphael scrapper will say, the crystal, as he would say. E-Waste Mike, he's got a great good low, so go and check him out. E-Waste Mike, go and check him out. Don't know if he's subscribed to my channel, God knows. I subscribe to him. I'm taking these aluminium bits, not everybody has them. Yeah. I like to set them up, and sometimes it just forgot quite a little bit of weight. I add it in with the aluminium what I've got. Yeah. And you got these blue bits, what's on them, what's mostly like aluminium or copper. If you want what's in them, cut them in half. Same with these red bits. Yeah. Well, it were a black box. It were like something like that, but a smaller one. And inside on it you get the copper wire in it. And then with the big ones, sometimes you make them up and the protocol come out. God knows this. Yeah, including these got copper wire in it. Yeah. Even these them. You rip them off. And you rip them off, you got the gold around it. Then just the plastic. Yeah. Or brass. And that's it. To short that rest into scrap. Thank you all. I'm just gonna probably get all these bits anyway. So all have one into see if I can get a big tub. Just look at all as one, and because in one day I just sorted all that. And it screws and a different tub. Tools away. There. Yeah. There's some bits up. Like that. Cheers for watching.